Hello, we're back for page 3 of the Unit 6 pre-test. Going to go over these answers for you and how to solve them. So, number 8, the 4th graders are setting up the playground for field day. One of the parents brings 74 balloons to decorate the tables. If the 4th graders divide the balloons evenly among 8 tables, how many balloons will each table get? Show your work. So, this problem is 74 divided by 8. 74 balloons divided by 8 tables. So we could do open array, ratio table, but we want to basically put an 8 on one side and we want the inside to equal 74 if possible. So we could do 2 is 16, and we could do another 2 is 16, and that's 32 together. We're getting closer to 74. We could do another 2 and 2, and then that's another 32, and between those two, that's 64. So now we're only 10 away. So if we have 10 more, we could do 8. So now we're at 72. And if we add another 8, we're going to go over 74. We don't want to do that. So basically, we have all these. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And the remainder 2. Because we had 74, take away 72 is 2 left over. So the answer would be 9 balloons. So if the 4th graders divide the balloons evenly among 8 tables, how many balloons will each table get? They'll each get 9 balloons. And then there'll be those 2 left over, remainder 2. And you could even put over here, remainder 2 is kind of like what's left. So how did you handle the remainder in this problem? I would say you would leave it as a whole number because they're balloons. And you cannot divide a balloon into fractions or decimals. They have to just stay whole or else they get broken. So can't divide into fractions or decimals. And if this was a money problem, it would say the same thing, like, what do you do with the remainder? Do you leave it as a whole number, the money? Do you leave it as a fraction, or do you leave it as a decimal? A little hint for the real test, there's going to be a money problem here instead. And you're going to turn it into change. So it's going to be like dollars and coins. So that's what you do with the remainder when it's money. You just divide it into coins and give it out evenly. Moving on to the next one. 8 friends are going skiing. They are paying a group rate of $264. How much does each friend need to pay? Show your work. So this is another division problem. 264 divided by 8 friends. And we could do a ratio table or an open array. I like the open array. So we have the 8 there. And we could do, let's see. We could just do 20. And that'd be 160. And we're trying to get to 264, so we're at 160 right now. Then we could do maybe 10, would be an 80. So then 160 and 80 is 240. So we have 24 more to go. Well, I know that 3 times 8 is 24. So now I have 264, which is what I need to get. So then I add up all these here, and that is 33, and that is how much they each have to pay. $33. Okay. Now we're going to go on to the next page, and I'll do a different video for that one.